Today we're going to be replacing the air filter on this 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander. And this is the STP air filter. I'm going to go ahead and put a link to this down in the video description below. Here's the air filter box, and these are the two main tabs that you're going to have to release. But first you're going to go ahead and pull straight up on this piece here, and that's going to release it. And then here you're going to lift up on this plastic tab here, and then pull straight out, and that releases it there. What this allows you to do is move the box out of the way. So now we're going to go ahead and release this tab here and pull back on this tab here. And now you can lift up on the box, pull it up out of the way, and it gives you enough space to pull free your air filter and extract it. So you can see how it looks. Not too bad, but yeah, definitely a bunch of debris in there. I could probably clean this out and it'd be good to go, but it's just best to replace it. We're at 10,000 miles. This is the first time doing an air filter change, and here's the brand new one. So go ahead and mark your date on there. Put this guy back in. There you go. Make sure the gasket is seated all the way around the edges. All right. And then there's two tabs in the back. I'll go ahead and show that real quick. There's two tabs that you got to make sure you slide these plastic pieces into. And so it should go something like that. Just kind of wiggle it back and forth. And now you can see they're seated under those plastic tabs. And then once that's down, now you're going to put these metal clips back on. Put that on, and then to secure these plastic tabs in here, push, locks into place, and then just you're going to seat this one straight down onto it. So just push straight down. There we go. All right. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and put them down below in the comments section. Give me a like. Thanks for watching.